Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a green flower with paper. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need some green paper, scissors, and a ruler. Don't forget a pencil, a glue stick, and something circular to trace. Picking a few different shades of green paper will add wonderful depth to your finished flower. This project is fun and easy. Now, let's start creating our petals. Take your green paper and draw several petal shapes. Aim for petals that are roughly 3.5 inches long. You'll want to cut out a good number, around 15 to 20 petals, to make a nice full flower. Precision isn't key here. Variety adds to the natural look. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more fun crafts. And on another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With your petals cut, it's time to give them some life. Gently curl each paper petal using a pencil or a similar round object. This adds dimension. Next, take a small paper circle as your base and begin gluing the petals around it. Overlap them slightly as you go to create a beautiful, natural-looking bloom. Keep building layers. Your flower is almost complete. To finish it off, create a small yellow or brown paper circle for the very center. This adds a nice contrast. Glue the center piece firmly into place. Finally, cut out 2 or 3 green leaves and attach them to the base of your flower. And there you have it, a beautiful handmade green paper flower.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.